Hey guys, this is Aldridge here, and this is not another triple white colorway. Here's why. Hey guys, I got this pair during the Nike 30 promo, and check out the story down in the description. This pair comes in that box right here. I won't show it to you guys, it's a regular box. So at first glance, you'll notice that it's like another triple white color or a sale colorway of the Air Max 90. But this is not one of those ordinary Air Max 90s. Those white Air Max 90s. This is a special one. But before I show you the highlight of this sneaker, the upper is textile, or you guys tell me what this is called. I don't know the materials yet. Anyway, but this midsole and this, what's this part? And the swoosh is all in an off-white color. But some subtle details of the shoe that I really love are, again, the aglets are a thing. It says 2020 on the aglets. The airbag, when you look closer, it has a tan color, a light brown color inside, which gives a more premium look to the shoe. You guys might have seen the highlight already. Anyway, the thumb tab over here, it pays tribute to the artsy lifestyle. It's still on that off-white color that you see on some parts of the shoe. Now for the highlight. Bam! Look at those. The heel tab is symbolizing the French flag with its blue, white, red colors. The Nike Air logo is embroidered in gold with a wheat stalk also embroidered in gold there. This sneaker pays tribute to the Parisian bakers. They're known for their baguettes, and wheat is like a staple, especially for the bakers. Of course, the details don't stop there, because Nike wouldn't leave this as is. It's too simple. When we take the insoles out, you'll see the same wheat stalk plastered all over, but on this tag right here, you'll see 90 cents paying tribute to the Air Max 90. The silhouette of the shoe, it says Baked Fresh Daily, again paying tribute to those bakers in Paris. And listed down here below are the ingredients to create the perfect Air Max 90. If you guys haven't guessed it, or you guys haven't read the title of the video, this pair, the colorway of this sneaker is the Paris colorway. And it's written here, behind the thumb tab. This pays tribute to those bakers in Paris. The upper, being white, mostly white, pays tribute to their uniform as bakers. And this is one of the 5 colorways from the 2020 City Pack of the Air Max 90 Premiums. So what do you guys think of the sneaker? Leave a like down below, leave a comment, and tell me what you guys think of it. Let's try it on feet. If you guys are wondering about the fit or the comfort of this sneaker, I can say that you could go true to size on this one. I'm in between a size 9.5 and a size 10, but since I would prefer a larger toe space, I often go for a size 10 now. So I could say you could, don't quote on me on sizes. My foot size is weird. But based on the comfort of the shoe, it's pretty much comfortable. It's not as hard as the Air Force One. By the way, I had a video on that. Click on this link over here. So the comfort is, the sides are thicker compared to the Air Force One. I could say it's more comfortable. I haven't walked on these on like outside. I just used this on the on foot a while ago. So I can't really say anything about long runs or a whole day of walking. So if you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment down below if you prefer white sneakers or dark or black sneakers or the colorful ones. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. See you guys in the next one.